How to create a playlist on SoundCloud. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video. If you're trying to create a playlist of all of your favorite songs inside of SoundCloud in today's video, let me show you how it is done. Now all you need to do is just head over to the song that you want to add inside of a playlist. Once you're inside of the song, you just need to click on the three dotted line, and right here you'll see the option called add to playlist. This way you'll have a section of creating a playlist, so you can name this playlist whatever you like, and you can either make it public or private. Once you're done, click on the save option on the right hand side. And there you go, your playlist now has been created. You can view all of the playlists and all of the songs inside of the playlist by heading over to the library section and then heading over to playlist. This way you're going to be able to view all of the playlists that you created inside of SoundCloud. Now by repeating the same process, you'll be able to add in different other songs inside of the playlist that you just created. So that was a quick tutorial on the way that you can create a playlist inside of SoundCloud. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.